Hello and welcome to the ScatterVolt channel, and today I want to talk about what's about to go down this weekend. So if you guys remember, 2 weeks ago I posted an RTX 2060 budget gaming PC vlog style video detailing my submission to an upcoming build-off competition between me and 7 other tech YouTubers in pursuit of seeing who can create the best ray tracing gaming PC for under $600. And I'm here to tell you guys that me and those 7 other tech YouTubers, which I'll announce real quick, are going to be uploading all of our videos this weekend. And as a matter of fact, starting tomorrow. Yeah. So in this video, I want to talk about the what, and in terms of what's about to go down and when it's going to go down. So in the competition with us in the Tech Fam, we have uploading tomorrow their builds, Coalition Gaming, Nerd on a Budget, Tech by Matt, and Tech Always. So there's going to be 4 builds coming out tomorrow on Friday. I'll have all the channels linked in the description. Check them out, and they will be uploading tomorrow. So that's Friday. Now Saturday, we have me, ScatterVolt, and Toasty Bros. So me and them, we're gonna be uploading on Saturday. So definitely check out the Toasty Bros channel. Make sure you don't miss their build. And then finally on Sunday, we have Zach's Tech Turf and J Diddy Tech Gear. That's actually what it says, J Diddy Tech Gear, uploading on Sunday. So yeah, again, those guys will have their channels linked in the description as well. So yes, all 8 of us are going to be squaring off, seeing who's created the fastest ray tracing gaming PC. So I'm super excited, not just for my own build and see how well it stacks up, but I want to see the other people and see how their builds did, because they've been more or less keeping it really secret. I've been kind of public about mine, but I just want to see what they've come up with. I'm really excited to see the part paths we went with, how our deals and stuff were created, just a bunch of exciting stuff that really not only I am really excited about, but also you guys definitely should be. So that's the when, and what about the what? So in January, me and a lot of the Tech Fam were sent NVIDIA RTX 2060 Founder Edition cards, and after we all did our individual review videos, we kind of had them lying around and we were like, what are we going to do with these cards now? And I thought maybe we should go ahead and do an old-fashioned build-off competition measuring performance. So we're going to be benchmarking Battlefield 5 with ray tracing, Metro Exodus with ray tracing, and Anthem, which we hoped had ray tracing at the time of publishing our build videos, but at the moment, still hasn't come out yet, so we're going to still be testing the game regardless, but it won't actually have ray tracing. And on top of that, we'll have the 3D Mark Point Royale benchmark, which will actually be the most accurate benchmark in terms of ray tracing. So there's also going to be that. And then there's 2 other value-related benchmarks towards the value category, which is a prize that you can earn in the competition, where there's going to be Cinebench R20 and Crystal Disk benchmark. So basically, we had $250 to work with our computers, because $600 minus $350 from the RTX 2060 is $250. So we've had that much to work with to put in a processor, motherboard, RAM, power supply, case, storage, and anything else, including shipping and tax, using online deals only. So that way you too can see how we were able to achieve these part deals, so you can also apply these sort of strategies, say, to your next gaming PC. So that's the rules of the competition. That's when it's going to happen. And now let's talk about the prizes, which you too can take part of. So we're going to have 4 categories where these contestants can win certain prizes in. Those being the best performance winner, the best value winner, the best looks winner, and the best overall winner. So the best performance winner is going to go to the person who's created the fastest ray tracing gaming PC. So whoever did the best on average amongst the games that used ray tracing plus the 3D Mark Port Royale benchmark. We're going to have the best value winner. So on top of the gaming, seeing who's created the best overall well-rounded gaming computer that can also, say, handle streaming or editing to an extent, which is why we included that Crystal Disk benchmark and Cinebench R20 benchmark to that, so we can determine the value winner. Then we also have the best looks winner to see who made the coolest looking computer, which will be voted on by you guys. We'll have a straw poll in the description so you guys can vote on which gaming computer you think looked the coolest. Definitely don't forget that. And finally, the best overall, which is going to take a compilation of the previous 3 winners and the runner-ups and saying who did the best overall. So who has the best looks, best value, and best performance. So let me reiterate that again. You too can take part of this competition. You can vote on which gaming computer you think looks the coolest, and we'll have a straw poll link for that once all of our build videos come out. So with that being said, that is all I have for this little pre-intro hype video to all of our build videos, which are going to start coming out tomorrow. So yet again, all of the links to our channels and when we're going to be uploading are going to be in the description. And then finally, be sure to subscribe and like to all of them, because we've all put in so much hard work into bringing this really exciting competition for you guys. So definitely give us some slack and some props for all these cool builds. So like and subscribe to every one of these really cool tech content creators and their individual build videos. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the ScatterVolt channel, signing out.